So from this week, we are going to work in R Markdown. To create R Markdown file, again, you click on plus, but instead of R script, you click on R Markdown. Then it shows you to assign a title. So you assign like any title you need. Since I'm asking you to do what is it? Problem set 4 in R Markdown, you can just type problem set 4. Then a default output, let's keep it HTML. And then you click OK. Thing about R Markdown, the way you work with it, you see line number 6, 3 like what is it, dots or whatever. Do not mess with it. If you touch it, your code will not run. And to work in R Markdown, basically what you need. Oh, sorry, guys. But you see it in the conference as well, right? Should I do it one more time? Again, plus. Instead of R script, you click on, what is it? R Markdown. And then you assign, give it a name. Again, problem set 4. And you click on OK. With R Markdown, what you need to have like a bunch of chunks where you place your code. So you see this gray area? This is where you place your code. So the way to do it, you copy paste it a bunch of times. And then you write your code within it. So this is how to create a R Markdown file. Let's go back to running t-test. It's really easy to run a code in R Markdown. You just click on this triangle. Well, here, packages, I don't think you actually need them. Okay, then we are going to do a bunch of stuff to run our t-test. Thing is, you see line number 36. This is my working direction. You need to replace my working direction with yours. Do you remember how to do it? Session, set working directory, choose directory. So I give you a little bit of time to replace my working directory, line 36, then line 50, line 67, and line 83. Let me know when you are done. Yep.
I don't go out to line 30 or 29. I don't have 8 go out to line. Yeah.
Okay, let's. Okay, please go over there. Again, place it in your folder for this class.
You can put a bunch of code in the shop, run the shop, you know, just do each one.
Yep, 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 yep.
You can say that.
Yeah, it's. I will show you a bunch of tricks. It's actually like much nicer than R script.
Its file is like coming up with like a dot RMD.
Yeah, it's RMD. Yep, yes. It's R Markdown. It's not R script. So, do you guys have the right file now? Okay, let's resume. So, did you replace line 36, my directory with yours? Do you need more time to do it? Again, session, set working directory, choose directory, and then you select your folder. And then you replace my directory with yours. After that, it will be easy peasy. Did you guys do it?
Now to open the running t-test in line. Yeah. Oh.
Wait, is that the test in the bottom?
Say it again?
Is that the test?
Yep, yep.
So it's like week 1, 2, where you just document. Always gonna have a state. All of this stuff. But it's. And then these 3 lines in second.
Yeah.
Guys, what seems to be the problem? We will be doing regression at the end of the class. That will be hard. This is not hard. We are going to be doing fixed effects regression. Yep. Yep. I will explain it on Wednesday.
So it'll be due on Monday?
Yep.
How do you get the
You just run over here. You just click on it. Did you download the data set into the folder? Yeah. No, it should be endogeneated. Then you can just click here, it will import it. If you replaced my directory with yours, say it again? Yeah. Yeah. There are like two ways to do it. But you don't, you don't open like a new Markdown file, you open mine. The name should be Kosteyev running t-test RMD.
Like,
This one. This one.
and if it's not.
You need to download it. Guys, you need to download this file at the bottom. Did you do it? Raise your hand if you placed this file. Okay, raise your hand if you placed endogeneity file in the folder. Okay, that's it. After this, you just, okay, let's resume. Oops. And then we check a class of the consulting spending variable and regime type variable. Oops. It's numeric, right? And then we replace zeros with NAs. Oops. And then we run a t-test. Line 86. This is very useful piece of code. Sometimes your coefficient is like really long number, so it gives you scientific notation. To get rid of scientific notation, you need to run this code on line 86, option CFN equals 999. This line of code allows you to get rid of scientific notation in the output for like any of the stuff you are doing, t-test, correlation, regression. So this is very useful line. And then, oops, we run t-test. Let me explain to you the structure of the code. So what we have here, remember when I explained what the hell t-test is? Categorical variable, right? And interval ratio variable. So in this case, we have three regime types, RT regime type. One not free, two partially free, and three is like free, right? And we have consulting spending, which is interval ratio variable, just dollar amounts, right? So what we are doing in principle, we are comparing mean values of consulting spending between countries which belong to different categories, like dictatorship, democracies, basically, right? So again, structure of the code. T-test, again, command to do t-test. Brackets, and is our name of the data set, right? Dollar sign, again, this way we select a particular variable, right? Then square brackets, again, name of the data set, dollar sign, regime type. And like it goes again. So over here, we're comparing one, which is not free, to 2, which is partially free. So in this t-test, we are comparing mean of consulting spending between not free and partially free countries. In line 91, you see the structure. We're comparing 1, which is not free, to 3, which is free countries, right? And in line 92, we are comparing 2, which is partially free, to 3. We are comparing a mean of consulting spending between partially free countries and free countries. And let's see what the hell it means. So over here, p-value is 0.1. So take a guess, what does it mean? It is not statistically significant because it's larger than 0.05. Then let's do a second t-test. When we compare not free countries with free countries, p-value is 0.005. Is it statistically significant or not? So we can say in this case that the means of consulting spending between not free countries and free countries is statistically significant. And in this case, since p-value is like really small, it's not even 95%, it's like 99% confidence interval. And in third t-test, we are comparing not free, partially free to free countries. And p-value is this, take a guess. Significant or not? No, it is not significant. Means of consulting spending partially free countries and free is not statistically significant. And then I will show you a trick. This is why I love R Markdown. You click on NIT, and then you click on HTML. Oops. And then you click on, where is it? Open in browser. And then you double click on it. Oops. You click on print, and you can save it as a PDF. So for problem sets, I will ask you to submit PDF. And this is how you do it. Let me show you one more time. To submit PDF, after like you've done it, you click on NIT, you click on NIT to HTML, open in browser, double click, print, and then you save it as PDF. Easy peasy. Bless you.